Hello everybody, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an object from your picture. Let's get started. Shop! New haircut. So let's remove an object from this picture. I will choose to remove this pole over here. To do that, I will choose the healing brush tool. The healing brush tool works like this. You select an area somewhere outside the pole. To do that, you need to press and hold Alt and click somewhere outside the object you want to hide or to take it out. So let's paint over the pole with the information of the water that I have here. I can change the size of my brush while I'm painting over here. I choose different areas and blending in slowly to get the texture of the water. Slowly. Come from the other side and blend it in. And there. That's how you remove an object from the picture. You can take it on another level and try to retouch it to be perfect. Or if you are pleased with this result, you can stop. Perfect. And that's how you remove an object from a picture. Another way to remove objects from pictures is to use the patch tool. The patch tool works like this. I'll select this boat, I guess, and after I select the area with the object that I want to remove, I will choose the position of the selection and it will blend in from that area to the previous one. Obviously you need to blend it in more in detail, but it's doing a very good job, and for some situation this can be some time saving tool. And that's how you remove an object from a picture. I hope this was very helpful for you, and if you enjoyed this, I highly recommend to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. See you next time. Shop!